Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, we are going to be completely making over our master bedroom. I have been wanting to do this since we moved into our house, and I'm going to bring you guys along the way on how we did it. So this clip is obviously the before, and we are going to be putting in an accent wall. So first, I'm going to show you how we did that. We're going to be doing board and batten in squares, and then we are going to be painting it. So the first thing we're doing is taking off the current baseboard that we have. We're going to be using 1x2s for this whole entire wall. I will have as much as I can, including all of the items that you see in today's video, linked in the description box down below, so make sure to check that if you are interested in anything you see. We're going to be framing out the whole entire wall, so we're going to place the bottom, top, and the sideboards first, and then we're going to start the squares. Now, Curtis did all of the math for this, so props to him because I am horrible at math. He absolutely loves doing projects like this, so I let him mostly do the work, but I help him where I can, and I did do a lot of the painting, which I don't mind doing. When doing accent walls, caulk is going to be your best friend because it hides a lot of imperfections, the areas that don't line up exactly. It hides all of that, so that is what he is doing here, and you will see when we get all of the boards up, we're going to caulk all of the sides to make everything look seamless. Once we had the top and the side boards framed out, we are going to take some boards and lay them vertically on the wall, and then we are going to start laying boards horizontally to create squares. Now, obviously, all of the measurements for our wall will be different for whatever wall you guys are doing, but hopefully someone in your family is good at math because there is no way that I could have figured all this out. So again, huge props to Curtis for being the smart one in the family. He is going to take some caulking here, as you can see, and just make this wall look seamless and like it has always been here. Once we have all of the boards up, I'm going to take a hammer and just hammer in all of the nails. Now, this is really important because you don't want the nails to be sticking out. You can take some spackle and fill in the nail holes if you want to, but I felt like hammering them in did the trick. And then I'm going to take our Wagner paint sprayer that we absolutely love, and we're going to be painting the accent wall. We used the color Sculptor Clay by Bear from Home Depot. I will have the name in the description box down below. This is the perfect grayish color. We wanted a nice beige gray, and this was 100% it. So once the accent wall is done, we are going to unpackage our new rug, which I am so stinking excited about. It is so beautiful and totally tied our room together. Our new rug is from Loloy Rugs, and I will have the exact link in the description box down below for you guys. I am seriously obsessed, and it is the softest rug I have ever stepped on, so it is perfect for the bedroom. Before we get the rug fully spread out, we're going to hang our new picture that is from Target that's going above our bed. I absolutely love this thing. I feel like it goes with the whole vibe that I was going for in our room. Now, putting a rug under your bed is quite the challenge, so we decided to take everything off of the bed frame so that it wasn't heavy, and then we went ahead and moved it over the rug. This was much easier, and I feel like took less work on our end.
Hold up just a minute, been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah, been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore.
Now, if you guys are interested in how we made this DIY antique looking bench, I have a whole story highlight over on my Instagram on how we made it, so make sure to head over there. The link is always in the description box down below. Now, we added some new curtains, which we ended up changing because we didn't like those. You guys will see later in the video. But this is just a quick overview of what the accent wall looks like with the bed made and everything. And now we're going to move over to our little cozy corner that we created in our room. Our posters and frames are from the poster store. I absolutely love them so much, and I have a discount code for you guys to get 35% off of most of their prints on their website, so I will have a link down below for you guys along with my discount code.
It's all been a waste of time. How could somebody be with someone else if you can't be by yourself? Yeah, I got my problems. Lately I've been fading out, holding out, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotion. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time.
So for this corner of our bedroom, I wanted to keep everything very budget friendly. So I found this chair and the lamp on Marketplace. The chair was $125 and the lamp was $30. I absolutely adore this little corner. It's so cozy and like the perfect reading area. I wish that I actually read more because I would probably sit here more often. I'm taking this little stand that I originally had in our living room to put on the side of the chair just to add a little detail, and then I am tying our new curtains from Target back with one of the little ties I had. Before I ended the video, I wanted to give you guys a close-up of our new beautiful rug. I absolutely adore the colors and the detail. I will have it linked, like I said, in the description box down below if you guys are interested. That is going to complete our master bedroom makeover. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. I love chatting with you guys. If you are not already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me over on Instagram. I would love to have you guys over there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.